Next concept is cell styles. Styling the cell. What do you mean by cell first of all? So this rectangular box is nothing but a cell. Okay. To style that cell according to your requirement. Okay. There is no condition here. Okay. For example, these cells are there. I want to style them. Okay. These cells are there. I want to style them. When we are using this particular cell styles concept in the sense, for example, in this particular column, I have written some calculations, some formulas, is equals to sum of, is equals to count of, like that. I don't know, like I have written something. Got it? I have written something is equals to today of whatever it is. In that cell, formula is there. When you are sharing this particular workbook to other person who is not familiar with the sheet, he don't know you have written formula here or somewhere, he don't know. Okay? To make him understand in a proper way, you will mention these cells in a different color. Okay, and you will keep that value. This color means calculation, this color means so and so, this color means negative value, this color means positive value, like that. Legend, this concept is called legends concept in Power BI. Legend is in Power BI. Got it? Legend in Power BI concept. Here, when it comes to here, this concept is nothing but cell styles. Okay, here there is no condition. I don't have any condition. It's like my requirement. It's like up to me. Whatever I want to update, whatever I want to format, it's completely up to me. There is no restriction, there is no condition. Okay, if there is a condition, that becomes conditional formatting. Okay, the concept which we are going to understand Monday, that concept is nothing but, here there is no condition in cell styles. If there is a condition, that becomes a conditional formatting. If there is no condition, cell styles, otherwise cell formatting, otherwise legends. These three words are similar. Got it? Cell styles, cell formatting, or style formatting, or legends, whatever it is, without condition. With the condition, conditional formatting. Okay, that is the most advanced concept. Here there is no condition. Just as per my requirement, I want to make this particular Excel workbook look so good. Okay, for that I just want to make other person understand where I have written formula, where the negative values are, where the positive values are, by using cell styles. Okay, I'm just forming some style. I'm just giving colors. I'm just changing the fonts, whatever it is. I'm just giving a border. Okay, how this looks like and how this looks like. It's like little bit highlighted. It's like it's normal. Okay, here I have written some calculations. See, after seeing this, you will understand something is there here. That is the reason they mentioned the different color. Okay, after seeing this, okay, this is completely different. This is not similar to this one. These are the marks which are a calculated formula. By calculating all these together, this is the mark, overall average. Okay, like that someone will understand once they see your particular Excel file. Okay, the same concept will comes into Power BI. Whenever someone is seeing your particular dashboard, the colors which you are giving to that particular dashboard, blue color, green color, black color, backgrounds, that is called cell styling, not visual styling in Power BI. In Excel, cell. We are styling the cell here. In Power BI, we are styling the dashboard. Got it? That is the only difference. Cell styles. Now, how to do this cell styling and all, we'll see. So let's take this particular value. Here under Home tab, we have the option called Cell Styles. Here we have different options. Okay, it is not necessary you need to consider this only. It is not necessary you need to consider whatever the colors which are present. It is not like that. It's completely your wish. Sometimes what will happen? Your client is there. Your client will tell you which color you need to use for it. Then you need to create that color and you need to apply that color. Got it? That's what the cell style. Definitely, when you are working with any company, client only will tell you which color you need to use. Okay. For example, their company logo is yellow color. You need to use the background complete cells in yellow color. Okay. With that, then only it will match with their requirement. Got it? If you see government websites, other websites and all, everything is white. Background, all government websites, background is completely white. Okay. So that's what. They are using some hexa codes. Hexa code is nothing but a code given to a color. Okay, every color is having a different hexa code. Hexa code. Understand this one. This is just a knowledge purpose. Okay, for general knowledge. Every color, even if like dark pink little bit like each and every color will be having a hexa code. Hexa code. That means there is a code, predefined code universally given to that color. Got it? Your client will give you that color. That code he will give you. He will not give you the color. Code he will give you. You need to go to the Google or Hexa codes and search for the color and fetch the color and apply here. That's what the thing you need to do. Got it? It will not happen, but I'm telling you why this we are using. Got it? Mostly they will only ask with respect to visuals, dashboards, reports. Here there is a concept that we are learning. Got it? Cell styles. Under these different sections we have. First, we'll go with this one: good, bad, and neutral. Usually, you know, bad means a negative one, negative thing. We used to color it as a red color. That's it. That is the only thing. If wherever the negative value is there, select those cells and click here. It becomes negative value. You are representing some negative values by giving some color in your Excel sheet. That's it. Okay. If there is a condition, wherever the value below, wherever the student got below 60 marks, completely change that to red color. That is called conditional formatting. Here you are not giving any conditional formatting. Okay. For example, this person or someone did malpractice in the exam. So you want to highlight completely with red color. There is no condition. Okay, that is called cell style. Clear? Clear, guys? Yes. So that's what this concept is. Normal value means, so normal. Bad value means mostly will represent with a red color. Good value means good green color, and the neutral means yellow, like that. You know symbols, traffic symbols, traffic signals. Red, orange means ready, green means go, red means stop. So like that. Okay, they're predefined symbols, like that only we are using this one. And then data model, wherever the calculation is there, you can use this one. I'm not saying you need to use this only, not required. There are some predefined models powered by Excel. It's your wish, whatever you want you can take. Okay, for example, this is universal. These all are universally used calculation. For calculations, this only they will use. Okay, for check cell means whether you checked or not. These cells are checked. Remaining we need to check the tomorrow. Okay, like that. Some explanatory inputs, linked input means where you are entering the value. When you are working with the data validation, all the values you are going to input. So you can collect them as this color. Okay, so like that. You are just explaining someone what you need to do by giving color. What is the information stored by giving color? That's what the thing. Okay, this is called a legend. Don't forget this word, legend. It will come everywhere in your life. Okay, this is the most important concept. And then the headings, for headings and all, and the accent, like dark to red. Okay, dark to light, light to dark. So like that. So if you want to, I don't want all these things. I don't have a requirement. I have a requirement, and that requirement is not matching here. I want to create my own. So there is an option called new cell style. If you click on new cell style, it is showing this particular format. And here there is an option called format. Click on the format. It will redirect you to the manipulating options. See, there whatever they've given, you need to use. Here you can manipulate with your own. By your own, you can manipulate and you can create your own cell style. Okay. See here, this format options, Monday I'll tell you. Okay. Format is nothing but if there is a number, you want that number having decimals, like float number. And then you want currency, rupee symbol you want or dollar symbol you want, that's it. And this date time, percentage symbol you want, you can give percentage. And like that, whatever you want, based on that, we need. This general means it's just a normal text, and text also normal text. It will not consider any data. It will not detect anything. Got it? And then alignment. How do you want the alignment? You want a horizontal alignment center, means in this particular cell, my value will be center from right side, left side also, from down and top and bottom also. It needs to be in the center. That's what the alignment tab will tell you. See, this is how the alignment will come. And then font. Which font you want to give? Okay. If you are applying this particular cell style, which font you want to apply for this particular values? So I want to apply, so this one, and I want it to be bold and italic. See, whenever you are applying something, it is showing the preview. So this is how your cells will apply. It will apply for cells. And then what is the size you want? I want almost like a 18 size I want. Okay, underline if you want, underline. Strike through means it will strike your word. Okay, and then superscript, subscript. I mean, it will go up, it will go down like that. Okay, and then border. If you want to give border, you can directly give. Fill means it's a background. Okay, background of that particular cell. And protection we'll see in the last class. Protection, when protection is nothing but you are protecting. No one, you are not allowing someone to update it. Except you, no one should use it. Got it? And then click on OK. See, once I click on OK, then click on OK. I clicked OK, everything is done. Now I want to update these cells with the formatting option that I have created. See, here style 4 or style 8. So this is the formatting option that we created. Style 8. This is the only thing now. Background we have given the same. So this is how I want to 18. This particular value will be in 18. So everything I got. So that's what. Okay, this is how you need to create your own style, and you have some predefined style. Now your responsibility is each and everything try one. Take a kind of data like students kind of data. It is not like I need to give to you. You can take it from ChatGPT. You can take it from anywhere you want. I don't care. Wherever you want, which data set you are working, I don't care. Do take whatever you want, work on it, understand the concept. That's what I want. Clear? Clear the cell styles concept? That's all.